Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a teacher Google account and an active classroom class before you begin. Once ready, open classwork and tap Create, then Quiz Assignment to launch Google Forms. You're doing this now so you can set the time limit inside the form. Make sure to name the quiz and add clear instructions. This makes grading easier. Next, choose or add question types and point values so the timer you set matches the overall length and difficulty. Once the form opens, install a trusted timer add-on, or, if available, use Classroom's integrated quiz settings to limit time. You'll configure duration in minutes, decide whether the timer starts when a student opens the quiz, and enable auto-submit so answers lock at deadline. Make sure to shuffle questions or answers to reduce cheating and assign point values for auto-grading. After that, preview the quiz to confirm the timer behaves as expected before linking it back to Classroom. You'll attach the timed form to a new assignment in classwork, set the due date, and assign to students. Once assigned, monitor responses in forms and choose whether grades release automatically based on your answer key. If students report the timer failed, first make sure the add-on has permissions and students use supported browsers, then disable conflicting extensions. If problems persist, reassign using Classroom's native time controls or extend the deadline as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.